Good day sa tanan. Nanas tayo release nga Honda PCX CBS version 3 2025. So mo niya ang atong release karon guys, no? So thank you for trusting Motorcycle City Mandaue for getting your new Honda PCX. So check na siya tanan guys, no, before nato siya i-release atong client. Tanan dapat good ma-check para make sure na wa na problema ang client, kundi gas and go na lang yun siya guys, no? So mo niya atong PCX nato ron guys. Visit us at Motorcycle City Mandaue para makakuha na po ka sa imuha new motorcycle. PM for more information as well as quotation. Born to ride. Let's go!